Here's S&P 500 on the 3-minute chart. This was the New York Open at 14:30 UK time. Price traded down into a monthly level where buyers held the line. Then, something strange happened. At 1700 UK time, we see what's called a buying climax. The volume exploded way higher than anything since the Open. But here's the kicker. There was no news at this time. So why such a surge? Take a look at the delta, plus 2,790 in buying delta. Massive, way above average. This wasn't retail, this was someone with deep pockets. So the question is, did this buyer know something the rest of us didn't? After that candle, price dipped, but notice the drop in volume. Sellers weren't interested, and price never closed below that climax candle. That buyer was holding it up. Then, exactly 18 minutes later, Trump announces a 90-day pause on reciprocal tariffs. Price tries to dip below the climax candle low, but fails. That buyer, they stepped in again, this time at a better price. What happened next? Price rockets 1,020 ticks in 3 minutes. That's not a rally, that's an eruption. And if you check the order flow, 1,064 lots on the buy side in the climax candle and another 980 lots at the bottom of the massive bullish rally candle. That is a pro scaling in just before liftoff. So what do you think? Did this trader just get lucky? Or is the market manipulated? Drop a comment. Either way, I've been working on something massive for you. A 2+ hour free masterclass exposing the truth of the markets and how to spot the big players before they make their move. It's dropping late next month on Hyve Trading and Hyve Trading 2.0 on YouTube. Hit that follow and check the link in my bio to get started with the volume platform I use.